Welcome to Get Smart Office Edition.
The show where we help you laugh about and get better at office life.
I'm Shannon.
And I'm Laura.
Now, let's get smart.
Hey, I just walked past the legal teams area and something smells really bad over there.
Dude, I know. Tiffany told me that Jimmy leaves his gym shoes under his desk so he can go running at lunch, and it's terrible.
Couldn't he keep them in his car?
I would think so, but I'm not really sure if anyone has mentioned it to him.
Shouldn't that be obvious?
It is to all of us who walk by.
Dear listeners, please remember, after some time, you will no longer notice a smell.
Also remember, no one wants to smell your stinky gym clothes or shoes in the office.
If your area reeks, people are less likely to come and talk to you.
You also could have HR come visit you about the problem.
So what should you do? You might have a below average sense of smell. You might not be a good judge.
If you think this could be you, ask a trusted coworker, a family member, or a friend to be really honest with you.
Bonus points if you ask them if you have bad BO too.
Keep smelly things out of the office, and just keep in mind that nobody needs to smell anything that comes from your house or your gym bag. Thanks for listening.
Thanks for listening. Subscribe to catch new episodes of Tips and Skits every Monday and Wednesday, and join us for our Real Story segment and our blooper reel on Fridays.
Want to share your hilarious office stories with us? We might turn them into an episode.
Send us your thoughts and feedback at gsoe at diecastmediagroup.com and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.
Special thanks to Rebecca, who created animations for our skits, which you can watch on our YouTube channel. Also, thanks to Wendy, our audio editor, Lelia, our social media manager, and Austin, our technical engineer.
If you would like to support the show, review and share with your friends, or consider supporting us on Patreon, links are in the show notes.
Get Smart Office Edition is a DieCast Media Group production.